Hello, today I'm in Toyota Auris. In this video I'll show you comfort features preview. In the beginning, let's start with climate control and AC. This car uses central console dials or buttons for automatic climate control. Set the desired temperature and press auto to turn it off. Press the fan button. Now, take a look in the center of the car. This car is equipped with heat seating in some trims. It is also equipped with cruise control, which can reduce fatigue on the long distance drive. This car has two-way adjustable steering wheel. Pull the small lever under the steering column, adjust the wheel tilt and telescopic reach. Lock it back into place. In the end, this car is also equipped with one-touch driver's window, 120 watts power outlet, AUX jack and USB port. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.